Looking for a reliable battery spot welder for your DIY projects or professional battery pack repairs? Whether you're building 18,650 packs, fixing electronics, or just love tinkering, this list is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best battery spot welding machines you can buy right now. Let's get into it. Number 5 on our list is the AWithz battery spot welding machine. The AWithz battery spot welding machine is a compact, handheld device designed to simplify battery repair and DIY battery pack assembly. One of its standout features is that it does not require an additional spot welding pen, making it extremely convenient for both home and mobile use. By integrating the power supply and soldering pen into a single unit, the device allows users to perform spot welding without carrying extra components. This versatile spot welder is compatible with a wide range of cylindrical batteries such as 18,650, 26,650, and 36,650 types, as well as mobile phone batteries and other electronic devices that rely on battery power. It is particularly useful for restoring electronic equipment damaged by battery failure, allowing users to replace batteries themselves rather than replacing entire devices, offering both cost savings and an eco-friendly solution. Operating the AWithz spot welder is straightforward. With just 2 clearly labeled buttons, users can easily toggle between automatic and manual modes. The ergonomic design ensures that the device fits comfortably in the palm, with intuitive button placement for effortless control. Holding the side power button and top gear adjustment button in specific sequences allows seamless mode switching and power level adjustments. Speaking of power, the device features 11 adjustable output levels to accommodate different welding materials. Lower levels suit cell phone batteries, mid-levels are ideal for 0.15 nickel plates, and higher levels work with thicker nickel plates ranging from 0.15 to 0.3. On a single charge, the spot welder can perform over 200 welds, demonstrating efficient battery usage. The AWithz battery spot welding machine comes in elegant packaging that includes the welder itself, 2 meters of nickel-plated strip, a pair of spare soldering needles, a matte paper sheet, a Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. This makes it an excellent gift for battery DIY enthusiasts or anyone interested in electronics repair, combining practicality with thoughtful presentation. Number 4 is the Ansiki FS01 battery spot welding machine. The Ansiki FS01 battery spot welding machine is a specialized tool tailored for welding 18,650 lithium batteries, delivering strong and efficient connections for nickel strips and belts. This machine is engineered to meet the precise needs of battery assembly and repair, providing reliable welds that are essential for optimal battery performance. One of the standout features of the FS01 is its versatile control system. It offers an 11-speed adjustment setting, allowing users to fine-tune the welding power according to their specific requirements. Whether you need lighter or stronger welds, the machine's adjustable speeds cater to a broad range of welding scenarios. Additionally, it supports both automatic and manual modes that can be switched freely, with the added convenience of automatic gear recognition, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance with minimal setup. Portability is another key attribute of the Ansiki FS01. Its handheld design makes it exceptionally convenient for both professional workshops and personal DIY projects. This compact form factor means users can easily carry and operate the device in various locations without hassle, making it ideal for on-the-go repairs or assembly tasks. Built with durability in mind, the FS01 promises long-lasting performance. Its sturdy construction ensures that each weld maintains its strength and quality over time, providing consistent results even after extended use. This makes it a dependable companion for anyone regularly working with battery packs. Ease of use is central to the design of the Ansiki FS01. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just beginning to explore battery welding, the machine's user-friendly interface and clear settings simplify the process, helping to avoid common pitfalls and ensuring effective welds from the start. Coming in at number 3 is the Seesii battery spot welding machine. The Seesii battery spot welding machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals working with battery packs and thin metal sheets. Its standout feature is the integrated LCD screen, which allows users to easily monitor battery status and welding parameters, offering enhanced control and precision throughout the welding process. One of the key advantages of this spot welder is its impressive 80 power levels. This wide range of power settings ensures highly precise welds, making it ideal for working with delicate materials such as 0.10-0.15 nickel sheets commonly used in battery assembly. The machine is particularly suited for welding popular battery types like the 18,650 cells, which are widely used in various electronics and electric vehicle projects. Portability is another major benefit of the Seesii spot welder. It is powered by a robust 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery that not only supports extended welding sessions but also doubles as a power bank capable of charging your phone or other devices. This makes the unit exceptionally convenient for fieldwork or situations where access to a power outlet is limited. The welding pen itself extends 40 centimeters, approximately 16 inches, providing greater flexibility and control compared to many other spot welders on the market. This length allows users to comfortably maneuver and reach tight spots without strain. The pen features gold-plated terminals, which ensure excellent electrical conductivity and reduce contact resistance, contributing to consistent, high-quality welds. Additionally, the welder is designed with a quick-release mechanism for the welding pen, facilitating fast detachment and easy portability. Whether you're assembling battery packs, repairing electronics, or tackling other precision welding tasks, the Seesii battery spot welding machine combines power, accuracy, and mobility to streamline your workflow. Number 2 is the Vevor 737G battery spot welding machine. The Vevor 737G battery spot welding machine is a precision tool designed to enhance battery pack building and various industrial welding needs. Engineered for efficiency and reliability, this pulse spot welder specializes in handling 0.12 pure nickel stripes, making it ideal for assembling rechargeable lithium battery packs such as 18,650 and 14,500 cells. Beyond nickel, it is also capable of welding nickel-plated and iron materials, expanding its use across diverse applications. Powered by a robust 2.8 kW maximum pulse output, the 737G delivers strong, consistent welds supported by adjustable welding needle pressure ranging from 200G to 700G. This flexibility allows users to tailor the welding force precisely to the material and task, ensuring superior bonding strength with every pulse. The machine operates in two distinct modes, fixed head welding and foot pedal mode, providing versatility to suit different user preferences and working conditions. Designed with user convenience in mind, the welding tip is equipped with an LED lighting feature that illuminates the work area for accuracy even in dimly lit environments. Complementing this is an intelligent LED panel display that continuously monitors welding parameters such as power output and actual welding current. This real-time feedback supports smooth operation and helps maintain consistent quality throughout the welding process. Portability is a standout feature of the 737G. Unlike traditional bulky spot welders, this model is compact, lightweight, and fitted with a handle for easy transportation. Despite its smaller size, it offers a powerful and reliable performance that makes it a practical choice for both professional workshops and hobbyists who demand precision and mobility in their battery pack assembly and spot welding tasks. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine. The Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision and reliability in battery pack assembly and other spot welding tasks. At its core, this machine leverages advanced double-pulse spot welding technology, delivering a maximum current of 1200 A. This ensures that each weld is stable, firm, and consistent, critical for high-quality battery pack construction and repair. One of the standout features of the SWM-10 is its robust 5000 mAh lithium battery, which provides ample power for extended welding sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This makes it especially convenient for mobile use or situations where access to power outlets is limited. Customization is another key aspect of the Fnirsi SWM-10. Users can finely tune preheating, pulse duration, interval times, and connection points to optimize the welding process for different materials and thicknesses. This level of control helps maintain weld stability and enhances overall precision. Safety and durability are prioritized with the inclusion of intelligent temperature control and protective features. Equipped with a temperature probe, the machine actively monitors for over-temperature conditions, low-voltage scenarios, and potential short circuits. These safeguards protect both the device and the user, preventing damage and ensuring consistent performance. In addition to its technical capabilities, the SWM-10 sports a compact and lightweight design. This portable form factor makes it ideal for professionals and hobbyists who require a reliable spot welder that can be easily transported and used in various environments. Overall, the Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine combines cutting-edge welding technology with intelligent controls and practical portability. It is engineered to deliver reliable, precise welds for battery manufacturing, repair, and other specialized spot welding applications.